A 15-year-old is facing a second-degree murder charge in connection to an assault that led to an Ellipsis staff member's death. Police say Kathleen Galloway-Menke died from injuries related to that assault. Now her family is considering a lawsuit. Local 5's investigative reporter Laura Bowen sat down with the lawyer who is working with her family.
We're doing an investigation as you do in any type of case, especially involving a death, to see if there's other avenues or legal actions, causes of action that can be maintained. Don't know the answer to that yet.
It all started with a 15-year-old resident running away from the Ellipsis group home.
It's Kathleen, and there was up to 5 other staff members and another individual in a vehicle that were all following this youth.
Attorney Trevor Hooks says the teenage suspect suddenly ran across the street, shoving Galloway-Menke.
She went airborne, landed on her head first against the sidewalk, causing brain damage, and ultimately that's what led to her death.
Hooks says he believes the suspect had threatened to kill Galloway-Menke in the past, including the day of the incident. One of the concerns Hook is looking into is whether or not safety protocols were adequate in this case, especially for female staff.
I mean, she's a very tiny gal, and some of these youth, even though they are youth, are good sized, and they're in there by definition because they have behavioral issues.
When asked about the policy for handling runaways, a media contact for Ellipsis sent us a statement that reads in part, "Our policy is to alert the local law enforcement whenever a youth leaves our premises without permission. This is because clients are court-ordered to our facility. We keep the youth in sight as best as we can until local law enforcement arrives so we can keep police informed and to minimize potential harm to the youth or anyone else in the community." Laura Bowen, Local 5 News.
Hook says Galloway-Menke's daughters describe her as an absolute light who dedicated her life to helping youth.